Welcome to the in front of me iPad Pro 2017, and I'll show you the Touch ID test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint scanner here to the Touch ID on the home button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. So we should, after that, just press it just to open the home screen. So, whoop. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it 2 more times. So we can make it by just this way, just hold it or just touch it for a while, and after that to press to the home button to open it, or just firstly to press and then touch simply the Touch ID, the scanner, the Touch ID scanner, and to unlock the device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.